Ever found yourself staring at a bank statement, a digital transaction gone awry, or just a simple question about your account, and that little voice in your head whispers, "Who do I even call?" Especially when it comes to online banks, that digital frontier can sometimes feel a bit distant, right? You're navigating menus, trying to find that elusive Contact Us button, and you just want a real person on the other end of the line. Now, picture this: you're an Ally Bank customer. Maybe you're drawn to their competitive interest rates, their user-friendly app, or their commitment to no hidden fees. But then, bam, a question hits you. A question that needs an answer, and fast. So, you think, what is the helpline for Ally Bank? Pause for effect, then a slight shift in tone, becoming more direct. That's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Because let's face it, even the most streamlined, digital-first banking experiences can sometimes require a human touch. And when that moment arrives, you need to know exactly where to turn. We're going to demystify the Ally Bank support system, exploring not just the phone number, but also the broader context of their customer service. We'll examine what you can expect when you reach out, how to prepare for your call, and even look at some alternative support channels. Because knowing your options is crucial. Transition to a slightly more informative, yet still engaging tone. Ally Bank, as you know, operates primarily online. This means their customer service infrastructure is built to cater to a digital audience. But, crucially, they understand the importance of having a robust phone support system. After all, not every issue can be resolved through an app or an email. So, let's get straight to the point. The primary helpline for Ally Bank is 1-877-247-ALLY-2559. That's 1-877-247-2559. Keep that number handy, folks. It's your direct line to a real person who can help you navigate your banking needs. A brief pause, then a shift to a more practical, helpful tone. But knowing the number is just the first step. What can you expect when you call? Ally Bank prides itself on its customer service, and generally, you can expect to speak with a knowledgeable representative who can assist with a wide range of issues. This includes everything from account inquiries and transaction disputes to technical support for their online platform and mobile app. They can also help with loan applications, mortgage questions, and general banking information. Now, here's a pro tip. Before you pick up the phone, take a moment to gather some essential information. This will help streamline your call and get you the answers you need faster. Have your account number ready, along with any relevant transaction details or reference numbers. If you're calling about a specific issue, jot down a brief summary of the problem. This will help you articulate your concerns clearly and efficiently. And, if you're dealing with a technical issue, note down any error messages you're seeing. Timing is also important. Ally Bank's customer service operates during specific hours. While they strive to be available when you need them, it's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date hours of operation. Calling during off-peak hours can sometimes result in shorter wait times. Typically, weekday mornings are a good time to call. But life happens, and sometimes you need help outside of those hours. So, what other options do you have? Transition to a more comprehensive overview of Ally Bank's support options. Ally Bank, being a digital-first institution, offers a variety of support channels beyond the phone. Their website is a treasure trove of information. You'll find detailed FAQs, helpful articles, and step-by-step guides on a wide range of banking topics. If you prefer self-service, this is a great place to start. You can often find answers to common questions without ever having to pick up the phone. Then, there's the Ally Bank mobile app. It's not just for managing your accounts, it's also a portal to customer support. You can send secure messages, access live chat, and even find answers to frequently asked questions directly within the app. This is particularly useful for quick inquiries or when you need to send sensitive information securely. And speaking of live chat, this is another excellent option for getting real-time assistance. You can chat with a customer service representative directly through the Ally Bank website or mobile app. This is often faster than waiting on hold, especially for simple inquiries. You can also save transcripts of your chats for future reference. Social media is also a growing channel for customer support. While Ally Bank doesn't typically provide direct account support through social media, they do monitor their social media channels for general inquiries and feedback. You can often get quick responses to basic questions or be directed to the appropriate support channel. It's also a good way to stay updated on any service outages or important announcements. Now, let's talk about the types of issues you might encounter where calling the helpline is absolutely necessary. Some situations demand immediate, personalized attention. If you've experienced unauthorized transactions on your account, if your debit card has been lost or stolen, or if you're facing a technical issue that's preventing you from accessing your account, calling the helpline is crucial. These are time-sensitive matters that require immediate action. Another scenario where calling is essential is when you're dealing with complex financial transactions, like mortgage applications or loan approvals. These processes often involve multiple steps and require personalized guidance. Speaking with a representative can help you navigate the process smoothly and ensure you understand all the terms and conditions. And, of course, there are those times when you simply need reassurance. When you're dealing with a stressful financial situation, talking to a real person can provide comfort and clarity. They can help you understand your options and develop a plan of action. That human connection can be invaluable. It's important to remember that Ally Bank is committed to providing excellent customer service. They understand that banking can be complex, and they strive to make the process as easy and stress-free as possible. Their representatives are trained to be patient, knowledgeable, and helpful. They're there to answer your questions, resolve your issues, and provide you with the support you need. So, to recap, the primary helpline for Ally Bank is 1-877-247-ALLY-2559. But remember, you also have access to a wealth of resources online, through their mobile app, via live chat, and even through social media. Knowing your options empowers you to choose the support channel that best suits your needs. And remember to prepare before you call, having account information and problem descriptions ready. Ultimately, Ally Bank's customer support system is designed to provide you with the assistance you need when you need it. Whether you prefer the convenience of online resources or the personal touch of a phone call, they've got you covered. And that peace of mind, knowing you can reach out and get help, is invaluable in today's digital age. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.